All right, just got disconnected, so let's continue on here for Sika. Sika make a huge move. This is was an 82% move before it pulls back, but it's not giving up, and it's making lower highs and higher lows. It's building a flag, a huge flag here, and it could potentially make a huge move. It doesn't break that trend line. Looks like it's within the moving average here, the 8-day moving average and 21 exponential moving average. So all moving average are pointing upwards. So this is a potentially huge move for the stock if it bounced. Let's put it in our anticipation list. All right. Biotech is making a name. It's making a move. All biotech companies are making moves. So that's where all the money is right now in the biotech industry or sectors. Again here, technology, biotech lab, building this range here, and it could break here. It could break and go into the 100-day moving average. Right now, it's trying to bounce off the 50-day moving average, and it's building a range. So it failed a couple of times here, but it's traveling above the 50-day moving average. So we'll look out for some bounce on that one. This one we missed it. Looks like it's made a move already under a range. There was a here bounce, and it builds a little base before it bounced up. It's hard to see, but it is a 2-star setup for that one. Nothing here. Again, huge biotech company names building its range again to make a move. So we'll follow up with Allo. Put it on our anticipation list here. Biotech names building. GABIO biotech names. Software companies made a huge bounce up here and making a flag. Waiting for the 20-day to move and catch up. But this Forge here looks like it's gonna be moving as well. There's like back here. Forge is a IPO company, a new IPO company. Fairly choppy when it moves. This is a huge chop zone. It's good to watch, but let's put choppy here just to make sure here. Choppy stocks. So this is to tell us this is a choppy stock. Make your moves, sell fast, not holding it for too long. Biotech company, bad as a biotech company. Or biotech companies are flagging. Made big moves and they are flagging. So this is a sign that this is where all the money is in biotech. Right? We're a bit late in the game because it made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. And it's flagging. So potentially is going to make another move or so. But again, I don't recommend playing biotech if you don't know the company itself and what they do, because biotech companies can make huge move, but it also can kill you with a deep fall. Just be careful. Again, biotech building up here, making a flag, right? And it can make another move upwards. Huge volume right now, it's lower volume, but this one day here, huge volume. Okay, too many biotech names, can only follow a couple, so I just marked a couple just for us to look at here, and we have it just to make sure we don't miss anything. But yeah, it just bounced off here, this is a huge range from a small cap. I don't trade small stocks. This is a really good setup or something, or there's a cat that there's some news that it's gonna make a huge move. Then I'll look at it, but nothing over, nothing under $10 would be a buy for me. Nothing. See, biotechs are making huge moves. I was trying to fall back, but others are setting up for another move. This coal is building a range, but it failed. See how it failed here? That's perfect short. If you short it here, this is perfect short, right? Guaranteed to make some money there. If you make a set alert. No setup. This is a fairly choppy market today. Let's go to see how choppy that is. That's crazy. You can never win that if you buy here on a high, thinking the market will go up. It didn't go up. You'll tank down. But then when you say, hey, you wanted to buy, you wanted to sell at this point because the stocks are moving, and again you get chopped up because when you short, you recover, and when you recover, it's short, it goes down again. So not a good market to be in. Could be for day traders though. Neo failed to break out. Neo moves fairly choppy these days. It's not a good real momentum stocks by its nature now. It's because you have Xpeng and Lee leading the market. All right. No setup. This one is setting up for sure. Let's look at some of the stocks that went down. Okay, business equipment went down. This one, oil, does not look good with oil. There's a huge sell-off from the top, 150 something, almost 150. Sales down. You're losing 20% of your account. It's in the choppy range, but it doesn't look strong. Right? There's a lot of selling involved, and that concerns me. Again, oil stock failed from the 2-day mark. See, every stock's with 2 days, and then it fails. Failed breakout, and a lot of selling today for oil to stock, and hopefully the oil gas price will be reducing because of it. Some of the big guys are making huge earnings off of these price gouging. So looks like the pump is going up the prices, but look, the stocks are going down. There's a couple of bounces here for this policy or this risk. Bounced up, hit the supporting level, bounced back up. So see the address. There you go. So this one down. See, everything's breaking down here. This one's breaking down. Oil's breaking down for sure. Oil. All these big names commodities that we have made before, like oil stocks, it's made a huge move. So it's expected to make a bearish flag move down again. But it was a good 2 or 3 day bounce. Looks like the short's trying to recover, and then another sell-off continues for the oil stock. Okay. Okay, let's look at the stocks for today that bounced. See which stocks are a good follow-up and which stocks we should avoid here. DG is a good follow-up. Was put in our list to see what happens. We're not going to be entering tomorrow. Seems like it's a choppy market tomorrow, so just got to be careful with the day trading atmosphere at this time because nobody's sure if the stocks are moving down or up. It's in a range. It's stuck in a range. All right, software names. This one's setting up. This one is a nice bounce here. All right, so it went down, huge move, went down, building a base, and today or yesterday was an entry. This one's a good one. Let's put it in our breakout for today. Okay. This DQ is huge and strong. It's gonna do it a little quickly. Looks like we're running out of time soon, so just gonna go through, see which stocks it will be good to put in our waiting list. See, this dollar is bouncing off the average moving 100-day moving average. It is a 2.69 ADR. It is a slower stock. Biology making me know. PDD trying, but almost looks like it's failing. It's gonna be a short for tomorrow. We'll see. Nothing, 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 nothing. Okay, we gotta watch out for this OLLI. It's made a huge move, so it's trying to bounce back. Moving average of E has catch up. Just waiting for 2 days of catch up from the moving average here. So all right, no breakout. Packaged food. Wow, it's a huge move. Is a $10.7 million move here. $1 million volume. That's huge volume. Market bouncing, bouncing. Apple, oh, really? Biotech's making a huge name here. A lot of biotech packaging companies are doing okay, but not as well as biotech companies. Semiconductors been a killer last year or so from this move, but it is selling off. It's not looking good here. Looks like it's continued to sell. All right, Sumo is a semiconductor name. Farm products bouncing, not strong. No setup so far. No setup. Right, it's gone through that move. Anything we missed here? This arc is building up, eh? Just really choppy, but it is building up, right? From higher lows. All right, this one's flagging, just like Sega, flagging for another move soon, but it is a bit choppy of a market and also choppy stock, but we'll see. Arc, no, no. Allo Biotech, no, no, no. Right, nothing here. The CBIO failed. Oh, it jumped in it, but it failed. Jobs medical device. This huge move. This is making a huge move. Pulls back, and this is an entry here, but you didn't enter. Pulls back, and it went. Okay, probably yeah. Try to make a move. Where am I looking at here? Lee's pulling back, but moving on the exponential 8 moving average.